In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-number in Smartsheet. If you're working with a large dataset, keeping track of your entries efficiently is critical. Luckily, Smartsheet offers a handy system to automatically number your rows, making organization a breeze. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each part. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the column menu, located conveniently next to the header of the column you've selected. This is your starting point for setting up automatic numbering. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit Column Properties. This section is where you'll configure the essential settings needed to set your numbering on autopilot. Once you have the column properties open, your task is to change the column type. You'll do this by selecting Auto Number from the options under System. By making this change, you're instructing Smartsheet to generate numbers automatically for every new entry added under this column. Now let's configure the display format. This is an important step because it lets you customize how each number will be presented. Start by considering if you'd like to add a prefix. A prefix could be any text or date token that makes sense for your data. For example, INV, if you're numbering invoices or another similar identifier. This adds context to the numbers, making them instantly recognizable. You might also want to include a suffix. A suffix can also be text or date information that appears after the numerical sequence. It can be useful for additional identification or simply for aesthetic purposes. Numerical places are next on the list to set up. Here, you decide how the numbers should appear in terms of zero padding. For instance, setting it to 0, 0s, and a 1 means each number will maintain a consistent length, with zeros filling in any remaining space. This uniform appearance can be especially useful when exporting data or ensuring ease of reading. There's also the starting number to consider, which allows you to decide where your numbering begins. If you prefer starting your sequence at 1, you can certainly do so. However, you have the flexibility to choose another number that better suits the needs of your specific project. Once you have these properties just the way you like them, it's time to seal the deal. Click OK to confirm your selections and save your sheet. From here on out, whenever you add a new row to this sheet, an auto-generated unique number will be automatically assigned to it. That wraps up today's guide on auto-numbering in Smartsheet. Now you can maintain a highly organized and efficient tracking system within your sheets. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and I encourage you to apply these steps to streamline your workflow further. Thanks for watching, and happy numbering.